Welcome to the top best. The best Valentine's Day gifts is probably one of the most anticipated and cherished occasions of the year, a time when expressing love and affection takes center stage, and finding that perfect present can feel like a quest for a hidden treasure, especially when you want to surprise that special someone with something truly memorable and unique that speaks volumes about your feelings and appreciation for them. Number 5. Adoyi 9 Pairs Gold Hoop Earring Set. Introducing the Adoyi 9 Pairs Gold Hoop Earring Set. A versatile collection designed for women and girls, perfect for any occasion. Explore the elegant twisted huggy hoop design. These earrings offer a sophisticated touch to elevate your everyday style. Crafted with a premium 14K or 18K gold plating, these pieces provide a luxurious look and feel without the high cost. Looking for the ideal gift? These earrings are a wonderful choice for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or birthdays. Enjoy lightweight comfort all day long. They are designed to be worn effortlessly, adding a touch of sparkle to any outfit. With 9 pairs included, you can mix and match to create endless stylish looks. Express your unique personality with these beautiful hoops. What we like? These offer a touch of elegance with their twisted and 14K 18K gold-plated designs. They come in a set of 9 pairs, providing variety for any outfit. If you're looking for a gift that's both stylish and comfortable for everyday wear, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a very cute and well-made dress. The fabric is soft and the stitching is neat. My daughter loves it. The dress fits perfectly and the color is vibrant. It's perfect for parties or special occasions. I was impressed with the quality of the material. It's durable and easy to wash. Highly recommend. Number 4. GKTZ Kids Sunglasses Party Favors, 32 packs. Introducing GKTZ Kids Sunglasses, the perfect accessory for your little ones. These sunglasses offer UV 400 protection to keep their eyes safe and stylish. Designed for children aged 3 to 8, these sunglasses offer a comfortable and secure fit. They are lightweight and won't slip off easily, ensuring they stay put during playtime. Available in 8 exciting neon colors, these sunglasses add a pop of fun to any occasion. They are perfect for parties, outdoor activities, or just everyday wear. Our lenses provide full UV 400 protection, eliminating glare and reducing eye fatigue. They ensure a clear view while protecting your child's eyes from harmful sun rays. Crafted from high-quality, durable polypropylene, these sunglasses are built to last. They are comfortable to wear and designed to withstand active play. These sunglasses are a fantastic addition to party goodie bags, birthday gifts, or classroom favors. They are sure to bring smiles and add extra fun to any celebration. What we like? This is a fantastic bulk option with 32 pairs of sunglasses in vibrant neon colors. They offer essential UV 400 protection to keep young eyes safe. If you need party favors for a large group, a classroom event, or just want to ensure your kids have fun and safe eyewear for outdoor activities, this pack is perfect. What people say. The dress is made of soft, comfortable fabric that my daughter loves to wear. It fits true to size and the design is very cute and festive for Valentine's Day. The quality of the stitching is excellent, and it has held up well after multiple washes. Number 3. Oriental Cherry Valentine's Day Pop Bubble Cards. Make this Valentine's Day extra special with our fun pop bubble cards. They're perfect for kids to share with friends and classmates. Each set comes with 24 adorable cards and 24 mini push pop bubbles. There's plenty for everyone to enjoy. These cards have blank spaces, so your child can write their own sweet messages. It's a personal touch that makes the gift even more thoughtful. They feature cute punny messages like, "You make my heart pop," and "So glad you popped into my life." Get ready for some giggles. These fidget and sensory toys are wonderful for all children. They can help kids with ADHD, OCD, autism, or anxiety stay calm and focused. Buying in bulk is a fantastic way to spread the love. They make excellent Valentine exchange gifts for school, parties, and classroom favors. What we like? This set combines Valentine's cards with fun push-pop bubble fidget toys, featuring cute puns. They are great for sensory play and can help with focus for kids with ADHD or anxiety. If you're looking for a non-candy, interactive Valentine's exchange for a classroom or a way to spread cheer with a unique fidget gift, these are ideal. What people say. The dress is very beautiful and the fabric is soft. The size is accurate and it fits perfectly. The design is unique and the colors are vibrant. Number 2. Zoo Buddies 24-pack 5D Diamond Painting Kits. Get ready for a wild crafting adventure. Introducing our Zoo Buddies Diamond Painting Kits, perfect for little artists. This value pack comes with 24 individually wrapped kits, making it easy to share the fun. Each one is ready for immediate crafting enjoyment. Discover 4 cute zoo animal designs: panda, lion, giraffe, and penguin. Kids will love creating and collecting these sparkling masterpieces. These kits are a fantastic alternative to candy. They help develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and focus while sparking creativity. Ideal for birthday parties, goodie bags, classroom prizes, and school rewards. They provide hours of engaging fun for boys and girls alike. Everything needed is included in each kit: adhesive board, colorful gems, and a diamond pen tool. Once completed, they are perfect for display. What we like. These are individual diamond painting kits featuring adorable zoo animals, perfect for a creative craft activity. They encourage fine motor skills and focus, making them a great non-candy alternative for party favors or classroom prizes. If you want a hands-on activity that kids can enjoy and proudly display, these gem craft kits are a wonderful option. What people say. The dress is very beautiful and the fabric is soft. My daughter loves the dress and wears it all the time. The dress fits perfectly and is true to size. Number 1. MODNTOGA Toddler Baby Girl Valentine's Outfit. Dress your little one in this charming Valentine's Day outfit. It's perfect for spreading love and cheer. The long-sleeve shirt features a cute dot and heart pattern, making it a delightful addition to her wardrobe. Complete the look with the stylish suspender skirt. It adds a touch of playful sophistication to her ensemble. Designed for comfort and style, this set ensures she looks and feels great all day long. It's ideal for any festive occasion. Available for toddlers and young girls, this outfit is a wonderful choice for celebrating Valentine's Day and beyond. What we like. This is a charming Valentine's Day outfit for toddlers, featuring a long-sleeve heart shirt paired with a suspender skirt. It's designed for comfort and style for little ones. If you're looking for an adorable and complete outfit for your baby girl to celebrate Valentine's Day or any special occasion, this set is a perfect choice. What people say. This is a great gift for girls. It is very cute and the quality is good. The design is very unique and the colors are very vibrant. My daughter loves it. It is a perfect size for little hands and easy to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.